Okay, hello everyone. This is your lecturer, Dr. Ahmed Zuwaidi, and I'm here today to give you an introduction for the subject 41053, Materials and Manufacturing Engineering A. So today we started the first day of the semester for the spring 2026, and tomorrow morning we're going to have our first lecture for this semester. And today I'm going to introduce you to what we're going to find in our first week for this subject. So I'll start first with the home page, and that's actually what you can see at the moment. Here we can find the recent announcement at the beginning, the two announcements I sent earlier. Your friend have a question here, and I get to use the time later to answer it. And also you can find here something like about the get started, the online sessions, links, the contacts, and the unlock of the modules. So I will leave this one for today. I will go with the get started, and I will explain every single item we have here. First, about the welcome to the Materials and Manufacturing A. That's just a PDF file, and it's going to be just a general talk about what we're going to have in this subject. Okay, so that's something similar to the message I sent you online. Sorry, on the Teams. And what we're going to have, we're going to have a weekly online lecture. We'll start from week number 1, which is today. This week, sorry, starting from tomorrow. Mainly is going to be a session for the discussion and the question and answer session. It's going to be very important for you actually to understand what will be the material we're going to have to prepare for the quizzes. All the quiz going to be within the materials we're going to cover in these sessions and available for you on the canvas. For the labs, they are going to start from the week number 2. We're going to have the metrology lab. So please try to complete the induction for the metrology lab and the mechanical design studio following the instructions and the announcement when they are going to be available. And I can send that by tomorrow or the day after. I mean, for the induction for the metrology lab, which is going to start in week number 2. The objective of this subject is to let the student understand the fundamental of the materials and the principles of the modern manufacturing, which covers a very broad area. In general, the subject will contain 2 parts, which are going to be the practical and the theoretical. The practical one is going to be what we're going to do in the lab, starting with the metrology lab, which is about the measurement mainly, and how we are going to use the measurement equipments. And later we're going to have the case studies about the materials made by different technologies. And after that, we're going to start the mini project about manufacturing of the wind turbines. We're going to have a look about this one later. Okay, what else do we have? We study major manufacturing processes behind and the theory behind them, like the casting, the forming, the machining, and the joining. Additive manufacturing will be applied, which is going to be a very popular name, as you know, as the 3D printing. And also I'm going to teach you about the CAD/CAM and the CNC machining. I'm going to teach you how to write down a code for the CNC machining, and this will be part of the mini project report we're going to have by the end of the semester. If you need anything, you know where you can find me. Teams is going to be the best thing. Okay. Now let's go back. Let's go back once again to the previous page. Okay, about how to start. So I prefer to do it step by step. By the way, I can go through the modules and I can find the same thing here. Okay, so now that will be a teaching plan we are going to have for this semester. This Excel sheet is going to tell you what we're going to cover every week. So it's going to be nice to have a look on that. That will be the week number 1, week 0, where we have something like review of the knowledge, the elements, the atomic and the structures, the bonding between the atoms and the molecules, and the introduction to manufacturing. That's something to have a look at it yourself. And from tomorrow, we're going to have the online lecture for the discussion. We're going to have the introduction to manufacturing, the fundamental of the materials, the mechanical properties and the physical properties of the materials, the engineering materials, and that will be covered by these chapters in the two books. We don't have a textbook, we have references. So the topics we are going to cover for tomorrow is going to be covered by these chapters in the main book, which is going to be the B. Groover. Okay, I'm going to show you tomorrow how we can find some resources online or through the library website. Okay, so you can see that no labs are going to be started at the week number 2. I'm going to send you a video on how to be there, and later we're going to have some like 20 sessions. We're going to have many tutors, depend on which day and what time of the session that you decide to have. Okay, and this will tell you exactly what we're going to have till the end of the semester, the 12 weeks. So you can see that we're going to spend the last 2 weeks talking about the CAD/CAM. I will help you to gain a knowledge about the G-coding and the CNC machining. Everything will be discussed on time. Now, subject schedule, once again, that's something similar to the one we had, where we're going to start week number 127 today. And we're going to have the SUBAC on the 9th week of by counting, which is going to be the SUBAC, and then we're going to start week number 9 till week number 12. No final exam in this question, this subject, which is good, but we're going to have 3 quizzes through it, online quizzes, and we're going to have 2 reports and 1 submission from the lab. Beside, of course, the metrology lab quiz. Okay, how to pass the subject. You can have a look on this one. Actually, I just hit it. No need to have this one. Study and help support and important guidance can be found here. These are some of the resources and support, like the textbook, formula sheet, and the table and the equipment, and also supports like the teaching staff, the contact details, and the further support. You can find the same details actually going to be available for you on the contacts. We are going to open the field trip when we are going to come to its time. I don't want to make this video quite long, so I only going to cover now these 2 topics, the online sessions links, and I like to use Team. So everybody was added to this Team group. Just be sure that this one is going to be the 2026 spring, because I saw some students went by mistake to the 2025, maybe because we didn't update the link on the Canvas earlier. Okay, so you can see that the lecture now is going to be run. Oh, someone started the lecture already. This should be started by tomorrow 9 a.m. I don't know who is there, but you don't have to be there. We will see who joined. Someone started the meeting by 9:03 p.m. I don't know whose, but anyway, that will be for tomorrow. It's not for today. All your questions can go to the general page, and later we're going to have one for the metrology lab, and we're going to have channel for the general labs. Okay, so the team is going to be one we're going to use. Ignore the Zoom. I'm not going to use it this semester. Now we go to the contact, which is something very important. And in the contacts, we have 3 main people that you can ask. If you're going to have more, if you're going to have your own tutors, you can contact them through the Teams channel. Just simply mention his name and send him a message. The coordinator is myself. The co-coordinator is Dr. Dongming Wei. He's a very professional and good guy. Okay. We have Dr. Peter Abdu. He is the some like the senior tutor we have in this subject with us. We have Dr. Jing Zhou, which is the metrology lab manager. She's a very helpful person. And we have Mr. Anish, who is going to be the mechanical design studio lab manager. Once again, he's a professional guy. He knows what he's doing, and he very helpful and supportive for the student. Okay, so I'm going to stop the recording for this video by the 10 minutes, and I'm going to continue with the material for tomorrow by making very short videos for it. Thank you very much.